Hi friends, let us fold the square into an equilateral triangle. So for this what you do is you just take the paper and fold it into exactly half. Okay, fold it into exactly half. Press it gently so that a line forms here. Okay, exactly half. Then what is simple process is take this corner. Okay, take this corner. Fold it in such a way that this corner touches this line somewhere so that this becomes, okay, this comes to this corner. You can see this. See here. One is point number one is the line is here touching the midline. Second thing is you see this corner exactly. Okay, then draw a line. Just make the paper in such a way that the proper crease is formed. You can see this. See, this is this edge and this line is here. Now what you do is from this side, take this as usual, same thing, bring it to this point in such a way that the edge comes here. Okay, see here, the edge is here and the line is here. And I draw this crease to form. That's simple. Okay. Now you see your equilateral triangle is ready. It's simple. See this now. I just fold it. Okay. And see, I just fold it. That's all. Your equilateral triangle is ready. Simple. Okay. Try this on your own now. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.